Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is root to leaf path sum. We have a binary tree and a target variable. We have to check whether there is a path starting from the root node till leaf node. So we have this node. So till we have a sum, till here we have a sum as 1. So we will check, is this a leaf node? So leaf node property is its left and right child is null. So no, it is not. So we will go left hand side. First we will go left hand side. So till here we have sum as 6. So we will check, is this a leaf node? No, it is not. So then we again first go to left hand side. So till here we have sum as 14. Is this a leaf node? No. Then go to left hand side. Till here we have sum as 15. Is this a leaf node? No. Then first go to left hand side. Till here we have sum as 19. Is this a leaf node? Yes. Is this sum equal to target variable? No, it is not. So here we have not find our target variable. So we will return false from here. Then we go to right hand side. Till here we have sum as 17. Is this a leaf node? Yes. Is this target variable? It is equal to sum? No, it is not. So we will return false from here. So we will return false. So then we go to right hand side. So till here we have sum as 23. Is this a leaf node? Yes. Is sum equal to target? No. So we will return false. So we will return false. Then we go to right hand side. So it is null. So we will return false from here. Then we have traversed its left hand side. It will return false. So we will go to right hand side. Till here we have sum as 17. Then we go to left hand side. It is null. So we will return false. Then we will go to right hand side. So till here we have sum as 14. So this is not a leaf node. So we will go to left hand side. So till here we have sum as 20, I think 28, no 28, 22. So then we go to left hand side again. So till here we have sum as 30. So is this equal to target node? No, it is not. So we will return false. So then we go to right hand side. So we will check, is this a leaf node? Or if it is, then we have to check, is the sum variable equal to target variable? If it is, then we will return true. So that's the approach. So let's code it up. So instead of finding, I think yes, target is positive. So we can modify our target variable. So just check, is a node equal to null? If it is, return false. And just check, is this a leaf node? Leaf node, and node dot right is equal to leaf node. So just check, is value equal to target variable? So we don't have to uh, add into our sum. We can do one more thing, we can decrement our value from the target variable. So we have to check, is target equal to root dot data? If it is, we will return true. So then we have to go to left hand side. So the answer may be possible from left hand side or from the right hand side. Root dot left, and we will decrement this value from target. So target minus root dot data, or we can go right hand side. So target minus root of data. So let's run this code and check if there is any error. Yes, we have an error. So it's a root, not node. So let's run again. Yes, let's submit this. And we have successfully submitted this code. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. And thank you all for watching this video.